Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Flutter Dev. You're watching Flutter Dev right now, and I am your host Suresh Karki. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Flutter in your Windows machine. Okay, if you have other operating system, you can just follow because the tutorials are almost same for all the operating system. Okay, first you have to go to the Flutter Dev site, and from there you can just press the get started. Okay, after pressing get started, you will be redirected to another page, and from there you can install the Flutter according to your operating system. Okay, and now there might be some system requirement according to your operating system. In Windows machine we have to install Git. Just press on Git for Windows, and okay, and then download the Flutter SDK zip. Okay, in my machine I have already downloaded it, so I will be pausing download here. Okay, and you can even download the Git according to your Windows. Okay, if you have 32-bit, then you can go for 32, else you can go for 64. I will be downloading 64-bit. Okay, I have already downloaded Git, so I want to be downloading again. And then you have to download Android Studio. Just press the download latest version of Android Studio. Okay, press on the download Android Studio, agree all the terms and condition. Okay, it will start downloading. Okay, I want to be downloading this. Okay, fine. Okay, all the downloadings have been finished. Okay, then just go to the place where you have downloaded all the files. Okay, first of all we will be installing the Git. Just double tap and press on next, and it will be installed successfully. Okay, our Git has completed setup. Okay, then we'll extract the Flutter zip. Okay, you can move the Flutter folder to your C drive. It will be safe here. Okay, after finishing the task of moving the file, okay, just go to the Flutter folder in your C drive, or go to the bin, and then copy the path, and then just go to your source section and type env. You will see the edit environment variable setting. Okay, just go there, and then go to environment variables, go to the path in the system variable, then just edit it, and you have to add a semicolon at last, and then paste the path. Okay, it's done. Flutter path is given. Okay, and now we have to install our Android Studio ID. Just press on the next. Okay, I don't need virtual device. We'll be doing this on our smartphone. Okay, just start the Android Studio. Okay, now Android Studio will launch, and if you are installing it for the first time, it will automatically download all the required SDK and files for Android. If you have already downloaded, then you will come to the configure section. Okay, then from here you can go to the setting, go to the plugins, and here we will be installing the plugins required for our Flutter and Dart. Okay, just type the Flutter. Okay, install the Flutter plugin and then accept all the condition. Okay, just restart the IDE here. Okay, this IDE is restarted, and just go to your command prompt, and here you have to, we will check if our Flutter is successfully installed or not. So just give a command Flutter. Okay, if the Flutter is installed successfully, then you will see all the command of the Flutter. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I will be doing all the tutorial section from another video.